Hey, it's Anissa, and I've got a fantastic deal for you on the Quickie Power Scrubber. And when I say powerful, I mean super powerful. This is almost 300 scrubs per minute. So that's a lot of elbow grease. And that means you're gonna get rid of calcium, hard water, and soap stains with so much ease. Now, the Quickie Power Scrubber is so versatile. You can use it in your bathroom, your kitchen, indoors or out. There's no job that this can't do. Now with this kit, you're not getting just one brush, you're getting two. First, you get the all-purpose brush, which is great for just about any job, and then you get the cone brush, which is really great for those corners and crevices. But maybe the best accessory of all is the extension bar, which gives you almost 4 feet of reach, which for me is great because now I can reach almost every part of my tub without straining or bending. Now, because this is so powerful, it creates a lot of torque. That means you don't have to use harmful chemicals to get something super clean. It has a rechargeable battery. You just plug it in and let it charge up, and then you unplug it and it becomes completely cordless. So that means you can take it anywhere. And you can also use this outdoors. It's great for grills, decks, even the tires and rims of your car. Now, I promise you are going to love the Quickie Power Scrubber, but what you're going to love most is our super low price. The same exact model sells in Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart, and other places for over $40. You're not going to pay anywhere near that. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab one or two today.